Are popular health foods really as good as they seem? Or are we all just falling for a carefully curated blend of marketing and social media trends? Let's dive deep into the world of so-called superfoods, those staples that seem to pop up in every health blog, fitness influencer smoothie bowl, and trendy cafe menu. We'll break them down one by one in a fun and brutally honest tier list style narrative. There's no denying that some health foods genuinely deserve their spotlight. They're nutrient-dense, versatile, and scientifically backed. But others? Let's just say their status might be more about hype than health. Starting at the very top, we have our undisputed champions, our S tier, the health foods that don't just live up to the hype, they set the bar. Greek yogurt is the MVP of breakfast tables and post-gym snacks everywhere. Why? Because it's loaded with protein, packed with probiotics that promote gut health, and incredibly versatile. It can double as a sour cream substitute, bulk up your smoothies, or serve as the creamy base for a luxurious parfait. When it comes to foods that pull double duty for taste and nutrition, Greek yogurt is hard to beat. Right beside it in the S tier is the millennial darling, the avocado. This creamy fruit is not just about the toast, although let's be honest, it does make excellent toast. It's a fantastic source of healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, and a host of vitamins. Its smooth texture and rich flavor make it an easy addition to a variety of meals, from salads to smoothies to sushi rolls. Plus, avocados are satisfying, which helps keep hunger in check. Next, we give a standing ovation to berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, take your pick. These little gems are loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which may help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and naturally sweet, which makes them a great addition to pretty much anything: cereal, yogurt, oatmeal, salads, and even savory dishes. They punch far above their weight in terms of health benefits. Now, stepping into the A tier, we find foods that are solid contenders. They're usually worth the hype, though they may have some minor drawbacks or limitations. Chia seeds are a classic example. These tiny powerhouses offer a tremendous amount of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein. Plus, when soaked in liquid, they turn gelatinous and can be transformed into puddings or used to thicken smoothies. However, not everyone loves the texture. Some find it a bit like eating frog's pawn. But if you can get past that, the nutritional punch is real. Sweet potatoes are another A-tier favorite. With their vibrant orange hue, they're rich in beta-carotene, fiber, and complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy without spiking your blood sugar. Whether roasted, mashed, or spiralized into noodles, sweet potatoes are a flavorful and nutritious addition to any diet. Quinoa, once a staple of Andean cultures, now enjoys global fame as a complete plant-based protein. It's gluten-free, easy to cook, and incredibly adaptable. You can use it in place of rice, toss it in salads, or even make porridge with it. It's got a slightly nutty flavor and a great texture. While it's sometimes overused in trendy recipes, it definitely holds up under scrutiny. The B tier is where things get interesting. These foods are generally healthy and beneficial, but the fervor surrounding them might be a little overblown. Take kale, for example. It's absolutely packed with nutrients: vitamins A, C, and K, calcium, and antioxidants. But let's be real, it's not exactly delicious on its own. Without a good massage or dressing, raw kale can be tough and bitter. Still, it's a nutritional powerhouse, so if you can prep it right, it earns its place. Matcha also lands in B tier. It offers a calm, focused caffeine buzz thanks to L-theanine, and it's rich in antioxidants, particularly EGCG. That said, it has a distinct, earthy flavor that not everyone enjoys, and the quality can vary widely. High-quality matcha is fantastic, but the cheap stuff? Not so much. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Almonds and almond butter are ubiquitous in the health food scene. They're high in healthy fats, vitamin E, and magnesium. A handful of almonds makes a great snack, and almond butter is a tasty, protein-rich spread. However, they're also calorie-dense, and portion control is key. It's easy to overdo it. Then we descend into the C tier, where health foods start to lose their luster. These items are often marketed as miracle foods, but come with caveats that make them less impressive on closer inspection. Coconut oil is a prime example. It smells amazing and adds richness to dishes, but it's high in saturated fats. While some studies suggest it might not be as harmful as previously thought, others recommend limiting saturated fat intake for heart health. Coconut oil is fine in moderation, but it's not the cure-all some claim. Protein bars also land here. Some are made with quality ingredients and can be a convenient way to refuel, but many are highly processed, full of added sugars, and no better than a candy bar in disguise. It's important to read the label and know what you're getting. Acai bowls look like health food heaven with their vibrant purple color and mountain of fruit toppings, but many versions pack in a ton of sugar and calories. Unless you're making it at home and controlling the ingredients, these bowls can easily veer into dessert territory. Now we reach the D tier, reserved for the overhyped and underwhelming. Celery juice had a moment of viral fame, touted as a miracle cure for everything from inflammation to acne. But the science just doesn't back up these grandiose claims. It's mostly water with a bit of fiber and vitamins. There's nothing wrong with drinking celery juice, but it's not going to transform your health overnight. Detox teas are another example of marketing over substance. These teas often contain laxatives and diuretics, and while they might result in short-term weight loss, it's mostly water weight and can come with unpleasant side effects. Your liver and kidneys already do the job of detoxing your body. You don't need a pricey tea to help them along. And finally, we arrive at the infamous apple cider vinegar shots. While there is some evidence that apple cider vinegar may help with blood sugar control, taking it in shot form is harsh on your throat and teeth. It's acidic and can cause more harm than good if taken improperly. If you really want to incorporate ACV into your routine, it's better diluted in water or used in salad dressings. So, what have we learned from this extensive look at trendy health foods? First, it's clear that some foods truly live up to their reputations. They provide genuine health benefits, are supported by science, and taste good while doing it. Others might still offer some benefits, but the hype surrounding them is often disproportionate to their actual nutritional value. Then there are the imposters, products more about clever branding and influencer marketing than real wellness. It's a good reminder that healthy isn't always as straightforward as it seems. Just because something is labeled as a superfood doesn't mean it's a super choice for everyone. Context, preparation, portion size, and individual health needs all matter. In the end, eating well is less about jumping on every new health trend and more about building a sustainable, enjoyable, and nutritionally balanced way of eating. Real food, enjoyed in moderation and prepared with care, will always beat the latest fad. So go ahead, pile your plate with berries and avocado toast, sprinkle some chia seeds on your yogurt, and enjoy that sweet potato with a little cinnamon. But maybe skip the celery juice cleanse. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.